Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. You want to come along with me and we'll go to my kitchen and we'll make an easy tomato and pesto penne pasta. This recipe is an easy and delicious meal for two, but it's certainly easy enough to increase the amounts to make it for as many people as you wish. This dish is very hearty and satisfying. You'll enjoy it right from the very first bite. And we'll get right to it right after this quick advertisement. My first cookbook is available on Amazon. I have provided a quick link in the description below this video. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Pour about 4 cups of water into a medium-sized saucepan. Put that on the stove to heat up. Measure out a generous cup of uncooked penne pasta. And set that aside until your water starts to boil. And while we're waiting for that, take out 1 mild Italian sausage. Place some butter in a frying pan and fry that until it starts to brown on the outside. Pour your pasta in the hot boiling water and add a little bit of olive oil so that the pasta doesn't stick together. And back to the sausage, take it when it's partially cooked, slice it on an angle, and finish frying those pieces individually until there is no more pink. Then slice some celery and carrots on an angle. I've already sliced some rings of sweet onion, and I'm going to slice some red, yellow, and orange bell pepper. Bear in mind, if you don't like some of these things, you can omit them or add something in their place. Pretty much like anything that's available in mine. Add a little olive oil to the frying pan and place those vegetables in there and saute them and fry them a little bit until they're tender. Placing the lid on it for only a minute or two will help to speed up the process. And just like any stir fry, you basically don't want to overcook them. You want them to be a tiny bit crisp, but tender. I cook them enough to even brown them slightly. I just like the flavor that adds. I added a little bit of leftover cooked chicken to the pan as well. So there's many options for add-ons. This is just like going to Boston Pizza or Eastside Mario's where you can build your own pasta. Except it's much cheaper when you do it at home. So let's keep this simple and use about a half a jar of tomato and pesto sauce. And heat that up in a small saucepan. Shred about a cup of marbled cheese, and let's get ready to assemble our pasta dish. Once the pasta is cooked according to the package directions, drain off the water and place it in the bottom of a dish, or you can even do this on individual plates if you choose. Here we're adding the cooked vegetables. Now the fried mild Italian sausage. And because this is a dinner for two, I'm using both the mild Italian sausage and the chicken breast slices on the other side. This just shows that there is variation in your options. You can pour the heated sauce over the top now. I used about a half a jar for 2 people. I like a fair bit of sauce, but it's up to you how much you like. And here, just a few chopped up cherry tomatoes and some craisins. And I've even threw in a few salted cashews for good measure. Go ahead and throw on your shredded marbled cheese and let that melt with the heat of the pasta. And I topped it off with the rest of the tomato pesto sauce that I had heated up. This is so easy to make, you'll probably have dinner ready in less than half an hour. This is an easy meal to make for 1 or 2 people. So it's really nice for elderly people who really need to get something quick and nutritious, and or someone who's going to college or university, and you only want to make enough for yourself. But you can also easily adjust it for a lot of people if you wanted to. And it's very cost effective. And on a side note, if you're interested in a good book to read, try out The Crown of Purple. It's available on Amazon, and I have provided a quick link in the description below this video. And as for today's video, I hope you enjoyed it. And thanks for watching the video all the way through, for giving it a thumbs up, your comments, and for your subscriptions. It really helps to keep the channel alive and better promoted by Amazon. Thank you so much, and until next time, happy eating. Now go make some.